This is so cool. Whoa. This is a heck of a lightning show. It's mainly over here. Oh! That was sick.
What if that struck something?
Oh, that'd be awesome.
What if it struck my house? That'd be awesome. No kidding.
You'd have to move somewhere else. Ooh.
I hope it didn't strike my house. Because that definitely struck. Oh, that's
This is crazy.
Oh, dang, man.
And this is the strongest one all summer. This is one heck of a lightning show.
Throw something metal, like
Whoa.
a new aluminum, up there, and we'll see if it strikes.
That'd be awesome, but
No, I won't strike. It's not like the biggest source. Oh, this is awesome.
it's just like dark clouds everywhere. There's lightning everywhere. Like,
There's so much positive and negative energy.
I know.
They're striking.
they're like having a fight. It'd be cool. Man, this is awesome.
What if one struck like your hose?
It'd be awesome.
I'd be like, holy crap, run inside.
This lightning is everywhere.
Oh. Okay, it's like stopping now.
Whoa! That was sick. It is non-stop. This is awesome. So by the way, this is Airsoft Lover 455 and giving you a heck of a lightning show. Whoa! Oh! Oh man, my iPad is getting hit like crap.
Here, lift it up.
You guys can't see, it's awesome.
If you didn't realize,
This is awesome. Oh, you missed it!
oh my gosh. Sorry.
Holy crap. Okay, keep it over there.
Like right there. That's
Yeah. Oh!
Oh.
Here, let's move over.
You hold it. You're better at this.
Okay. It's
Just
like,
have it higher. You'll get better views. But also have it like on a little bit of the house, so you can see if it like strikes.
oh. This is gonna be a long video. But, oh, birdie! Fly away, birdie. Save yourself.
Let's stop for 5 minutes.
It's quieting. It's quieting. Gosh.
But you missed it.
Come
It's
on.
like straight down.
Gosh.
Let's stop for 5 minutes.
Oh, that looked like a cane for a second because it like curved. That is crazy loud. Sounds like fireworks. Is it World War III?
It's the 5th of July.
Yep. Okay, anyway, this is Airsoft Lover 445. I'm giving you a heck of a lightning show. So, that's it. Bye.